Guys, we have one goal today, and you're probably wondering what that goal is. And that goal is to become rich off of money-making apps on my iPhone. By becoming rich, I mean make $10. $10 in one day is our goal for money-making apps in the App Store. Now, you're probably wondering, what's up with my beanie? I'm just chilling, okay? Stop it. But today, guys, we are going to be on the search to become rich off of making money on my iPhone only using apps in the App Store. This is quite the challenge for today, guys. I am excited, a little nervous, a little scared, but I think we could do it. I think $10 is not too off the mark. You know, if I have to do surveys for 7 hours, I'll be a little bit upset. However, we will still complete the challenge. Now, if none of these seem to work out, then I'll be really sad and I'll probably have to scrap this video. But if it works out, then hey, mission complete, right? If you guys like these kind of videos, let me know in the comments down below, and also show your support by leaving a like on this video. And if you happen to be new to this channel, I would really appreciate if you guys would subscribe with post notifications turned on, because only about 13% of you guys are subscribed with those post notifications turned on. And if you don't have them on, then it's like, you know, are you even going to see my video? Probably not, so turn them on. Hopefully I can find some apps where it's not necessarily surveys and just mind-numbing questionnaires where I have to put in my email and stuff. I would not like to do that. However, if I could find some apps on the App Store where I just have to do simple tasks or whatever, something like that, then that would be great. And so let's go on the search and find some apps where I can become rich off my iPhone. Okay, guys, let's just search money making apps. Zap Surveys. Oh god, it's always surveys. Dude, I don't want to do surveys, but you know, we might have to be doing it. Okay, it's got a, you know, it's got like a 4-star rating, you know, maybe it's not too bad. Let's do it. Let's, you know, boopity boppity, downloaded. Cool. All right, make money by walking. Oh lord, does it actually work? Does it actually work? We're gonna find out. Let's get it. Just drop it in the cart. Drop it in. A quick break from our sponsor, aka myself, Reefs. I would like to tell you guys about Webull. If you guys sign up for Webull and deposit $100, you will get 2 free stocks worth up to $1,500. So if you want to get into investing, Webull's the perfect place to start. And they will give you 2 free stocks when you sign up using my referral link in the description down below. And all you have to do is deposit $100, and then you will get 2 free stocks worth up to $1,500. So if you like free money and you also want to get into investing, that's a great place to start. So just check it out if you guys want to. Thank you. Okay, so the first app we're trying out is Zap Surveys. Let's create an account real quick. Oh my god, they want my email. Stop, bruh, stop. I don't want it. Okay, we're just gonna put in a email. Should I put in a random email or should I actually use my email? I don't know. I'm afraid they're going to send me like a verification or something, but I don't really want to use my email. Let's just, you know what? Screw it. I'm going to use my own email. Alright, so I made an account real quick, and let's check out, wait, what is happening? Let's turn on location, sir. Why do you need my location? Okay, I guess turn it on only while using the app. Okay, alright, how do surveys work? I don't know. Okay, yeah, that's great. How do I hit next? Bruh, no way. What is this asking for? Use your location even when you're not using the app. Why? Okay, sure. I guess so. No? What? You have to turn on notifications for the app? Oh my god, this is... Take a survey for $6? Oh my god. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, what are your thoughts on surveys? They suck. No, I'm kidding. Okay, I'm gonna go do this survey real quick. I'll speed it up for you guys, because you don't want to see this, bro. What? No way. Okay, so I literally just did a survey for 1 minute long, just asking me like really easy questions, pretty much asking me about like how I feel about surveys and I was just making sure to read all of the questions because I know surveys try to trick you often to, you know, say the wrong answer so that they can disqualify you. So anyway, I did the survey and I got $6. I don't know why I'm showing you guys. You guys can see it's on the screen right now. I'm so dumb. Anyway, we got $6 for the survey. That's crazy. Okay, let's check out some other surveys. Okay, so I have $6. Wait, how much does it take to cash out? You know what's probably gonna happen? It's probably gonna be a $20 cash out, and then all the surveys are like 20 cents, so that you're never able to cash out. Oh my god, I freaking knew it. Yeah, look guys, $25 to cash out. It's probably gonna take you like 7 years to make $25, but let's go check out some surveys real quick that I can do. Oh, okay, so I can claim for day 1. I got 1 cent. Okay, take a daily survey. Yeah, I guess we'll take a daily survey. Let's take this survey real quick. Hopefully it gives me $1. That'd be kind of sick. This survey is not even loading. Is this scanning my brain right now? Like, come on, like, what is going on here? Like, it's like some weird iron brain IA surveys, bro. Dude, a robot is going to have all my thoughts and then come and kill me and then replace me. That's not great. That's what I'm thinking is happening right now. Okay, this one's not loading. I'm closing out. What the heck? Okay, so there's 1 question surveys for 7 cents. Let's do it. Oh. I didn't get anything for that. There was no questions. Okay. This is great. Okay, let's do high value surveys. Let's take one of those. And it's the same thing. Oh my god. Tap research? What is this? Answer 9 quick questions about yourself to earn 10 cents and unlock surveys that pay up to 235 cents. I don't know why they didn't say $2.35, but okay. Oh no, I know what's going to happen here. They're literally going to ask me for my phone number and email address. I already know it. What is your age? 18. Continue. What is the policy? It's literally gonna sell my soul. Okay. Male. Continue. Yeah. Oh my god. I absolutely knew it. Dude, guys, if they ever ask you for any of that stuff, you are the product, and they will make a lot more money off of your information than you will get back from the survey. So that was kind of useless. But, you know, we made $6.26 on this app. I'll take it. Even though we can't cash out or anything, I'll count it as $6.26. Because, you know, who knows? Maybe one day we will grind out 10 cents a survey for 8 years and then get our $25. So I wouldn't put it past myself. Let's go check out the walking app thingy where you can earn money just by walking. Okay, guys, we're in the app right now. Let's hit next. I agree to the selling of my information. That's probably what that is. All right, let's create an account. Oh my god, they always want you to create an account. I'm gonna put in my own information. Yeah, I guess we'll I'll always allow once. Wait, oh god. Okay. Allow. Next. Dude, I'm just allowing them to, you know, take my life and just carry me through the wind. Okay. I'm an anonymous user. Bro, I'm not even reading any of these. Can I just walk and make some money, please? Can we do that? All right. How do you... Today's bonus. How do I get... Where's my monies? I mean, it's telling me things, but I'm not reading them. What? There's an ad? Dude, what is this? This is how they're making their money. It doesn't matter how many steps you take. All right, we're logging back in. Allow while using the app. Okay. How do I start walking? Let me walk, boys. Wait, can I just start walking? Will it work? Guys! I'm not... Guys, I only took 500 steps today. That's kind of sad. But I got 3,000 points. How much do I get for that? What is this? Dude, this is ad simulator, bro. This is not walking. This is you watch ads while we pretend to give you money for walking. This is what this is. Oh my gosh. How do I cash out on this app? This is horrible. How do I have $0 in my wallet? What are the points for then? I'm so confused. These... Oh my god. Oh my god. So, I'm getting 3,000... I mean, I have like 3,000... I have 3,000 total points. Is it worth nothing to them? What do the points give me, dude? Do I need to get 12,000 points for anything? Oh my god. I'm going to check in tomorrow with that app to see if, like, you know, it takes a little bit for the app to recognize that points actually are worth something, like in a dollar amount. I am not sure about how that app works at all, or how any of them work. They just seem to be, you know, collecting information and showing you ads, which is very fun. Very, very fun. Well, we've earned $6.25 so far, which is... You know, I could get 6 McChickens in about 10 years. Besides that, that's all. That's what we got so far, guys. You know, we're not quite rich yet. We'll get there. You know, I might YOLO into GameStop or something, and then maybe I will become rich off my $10. So it's the next day, and I was just laying in bed checking my phone, see if the points are worth anything on that running app, and no, they're not worth anything. So that app was kind of an L, and we are finishing this challenge with $6.25, which is not the $10 goal that we wanted, but that's okay, because we still got $6, but yeah, the running app was a giant L. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Even though it was a failure, I still hope you enjoy. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you are new. Hey, new guy. I see you watching it. I can see you through your screen. I have lizard eyes. Please subscribe with those post notifications turned on. I would really appreciate that. I really appreciate all your guys' support recently. It makes me feel motivated and excited to keep doing the videos that I want to do. So yeah, this has been Reefs, and peace out, YouTube. Mwah.